Hello there. What is branding? Well, we need to determine first what a brand actually is. So your brand is your image for your business, what people's perception of you are, what your reputation is. So branding is building that, putting that together. So a designer will create a brand strategy for you and essentially build a persona for your business. Your brand is not only your visual parts of your identity, like your logos and graphics and colours, but it's also your communication and your brand message. So your tone of voice, how you say things to your customer, and your message is what you say to your customer. And all of those things put together is the action of branding your business.